Guys, welcome to the channel. Guess what I found? Doing a job here and we're trying to claim some stone tied up the lane, and I found a beautiful spot that is a man-made cave and quarry. Yes, you look around, you look for the cave. The cave actually is now currently being filled in. There's a cavernous thing going down here. They stopped. There is a water if you want to have a look here. Now I've been filling it in. Now just so you know, this place used to be covered in this stuff. It was buried deep. It was hidden to history. And I was just clearing a bit of stone back and I went, ooh, what's that? Ooh, what's that? And I kept on going deeper and deeper and deeper, and suddenly we're in a massive horseshoe. There's land goes up here and it's just a big U-shaped quarry. You can see it's been hand carved. People have been taking it out by hand, but it's been abandoned years and years and years ago. So I'll show you here, look. So they were going down. I have it filled now at the minute, as you can see. This area used to be a pond, wasn't it, Joe? It was a pond and it went down. But look, I have it buried at the minute. You can rarely see, you can see very little more of it, but that went down. So they must have been digging down into a type cave to get the stone. Needless to say, I have no need for it, so I'm just going to bury it nice and flat. This actually would be a great spot to put in a nuclear bunker, would it not? And you could concrete the sides of it and put a big roof on it and nobody would know it's here. You got one view looking that way. I thought it'd be a great idea. A nuclear shelter. So when the Ruskies attack, I'm safe. I'm in my horseshoe nuclear center. Not my land, but you know, that's the way it is. Anyway, maybe I should buy it and say, I'll give you $5 for the land. It's anyway. Anyway, so I thought I'd share it with you. It's quite an interesting scenario, I thought. Where to get stone from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get it all squared up, get it all leveled. I notice there's loads of stone here. Again, the muck has just grown past it. So I'm getting all the muck onto the floor. And then what I'll do is I'll clean all this briar, get rid of all these twigs and branches and shit, and find out how deep this goes, because it's going this way. Something is going this way. Do you know what would be really nice? To find some treasure. I mean, you know, it's a perfect place to bury something. We should get the metal detector, and I never thought about that. But there's something going this way. I don't know what it is, but there's something here, and I would have to take that all away to find out. I don't know what goes there. There's probably another ramp going there. I don't know if there's another quarry to it. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you. A lot of you are not subscribed to my channel. You're getting the beauty of watching my videos, but I do need your subscriptions. Please like, subscribe, and always click the alert button. What's this? What's that? What the hell's that? No. It's the biggest, smallest mine shaft I've ever seen. Is it like a rabbit hole or a... No, it's like roots, I think. Isn't that a class wee place? That's a burrow. Look at that wee burrow. It's like got wee doors on the side of it, look. They've used the stone and they've got wee doors and a wee roof. Isn't that class? I'm gonna have to try and keep that. I don't want to try and wreck. It could be bunny rabbits. I would say it's probably, by the size of it, it could be actually badgers. Did you? How'd that go for you? Was it a hare? Was it a hare? A hare's a male rabbit. It looked a female. How did you know it was a female? Was it because it was showing tail? A rabbit's got big legs, or a hare's got big legs. Massive legs, runs really fast. That's a hare. So I'm actually quite impressed with this. I don't know if anyone else is. I don't care whether you like it or not. I like it. I just think it's a great wee find. When we started opening this up, Joe, it was quite exciting, and you weren't here to film it, but I still had to keep taking it away. I didn't want to make it a shock or surprise for anyone. I should have just actually, no, I think we've it uncovered now. I thought it was going to be bigger, to be honest with you. It looked a lot, well, it actually is a big space. Like, I mean, it is a big space. Just imagine, back in the 1800s, people chiseling this bloody big area out with their hand and getting carts. That's a good point, tools as well. I bet there's a treasure chest here. I bet there's a treasure chest of gold. I bet it's like the leprechaun thing. There's always gold at the end of the rainbow. So I built a wee ramp up the hill. So I ramped it. But look at this stone. Look, this is probably where the entrance was with the stone. But look at this, look. Come see. I mean, that goes up about 15, 20 feet. And I mean, you can see it's been chiseled out. Someone's been chiseling away at this. This is hand done. It's quite scary. People have built houses from this. But there's so much of this horrible stuff here. This gear here, look. Some people burn this. It's a complete nightmare. You'll never get rid of it fully. The idea is to maintain it. But my whole job is to get rid of all that entire briar, or not briar, it's windbush, I think they call it. It's lovely in the summer. It's a lovely big yellow cloud, but sadly, it's invasive. It's a massive invasive species, and it will take over the land. Eventually, the land will be taken over. If you look at the video here, come and see this. Come and see this here. So, do you remember the first video we ever did, Roy? Yeah. Where was it? Take a wee look. Over there. Let me point over there. Where is it? Point. There, the fairy tree. There's the fairy tree there. It's funny, isn't it? I'm pointing, and it looks weird. There's the fairy tree. That was our first ever video. That was 5 million views ago. Okay, well, there it is. So I'm quite impressed by what I've done. I managed to get a load of stone. We got more stone here. There's more stone here. We're pulling out stone for the lanes to try and get it all dried up. So that's where I'm pulling the stone from. I expected more rough stone to be here, but there ain't. So I have to find another way of getting that stone. I built up a rampart, so I went up here, went up again, turned and went up again. That now brought us up into this. I want to open this area up here to see what this is, so I'm going to pull the digger out. Once I've cleared this and flattened this at ground, I'm going to go this way and see what's over here. But there it is, 1800s mill, or no, not mill, 1800s quarry found, hand built by old men, probably family of the landowner here. I should buy it. I say I want this place and just park my diggers in here. What do you think? A great place to park the diggers. No one ever see it. We could actually put like a wall here, build a big brick wall between the. What do you think? Go get the block there, Joe. Go get the block. We'll start it now. There's no foundation to put in. It's all stone. Anyway, listen. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you like what I just saw. See you later. Okay. So I was just chatting to the landowner, and I have been now strictly advised that there used to be, on this lane, if you have a look up the lane, there used to be 29 people living on this lane, or 29 houses, I can't remember which one. But I was looking at the disused quarry over there. Now, we filmed it, but if you come over here, look at this. And I didn't think, it was looking right at me. This used to be a makings of a small town hamlet. And I never thought of it. Look, there's buildings here. Old, disused buildings. And there's the stone. So I never thought to look. But there stands most likely an old family building. And if you look closely over there, there's another building over there. So this rock originated from the quarry, from that U-shaped quarry. There's it all there, look. Slowly going back into the earth. Slowly being withdrawn and taken back into the earth itself. That was someone's house. Look at that. That was once someone's house. Go up in there. And I never thought about that until literally I was just told there was 29 houses on a very small lane. Why did it close down? Why did it end up? I don't know how Hamlet. There's that granite you're talking about, look. There's that granite, look. Granite stone. That's the stuff you put from, there you go. That came from the quarry, so which means that stone, that's exactly what's happened. So what they've done is the locals lifted the local stone, lifted it up and built a house. So the first house was probably built from the first stone, was probably built here because it was the closest to the quarry. Duh. But there it is, it's coming back to the earth, it's going back to the earth, the plants are bringing it back, and eventually there'll be nothing of this in a couple of years' time. Like, I mean, look, the moss, Mother Nature is bringing it back to nothing. Mother Nature's just eating into it, and all it's going to be is eventually a pile of rock. But that's where it's come from. There we go. So there it is. I just thought I'd put the addition on. Thank you very much, and goodbye again.